Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Wahidin bin Azmi. I'm from Group 3, Team Mobile. Uh, Today I would like to share about the quarter van for Panther STP 971. Then in the quarter van, they have a few components such as power cable, fire alarm, transformer, and the others I have to describe of every each. Firstly, about the power cable. For this Panther STP, they have 4 type of power cable, and the umbilical winch is consists of 7 line, including power and data. And second part is the fire alarm. The third part is transformer used for domestic, and to step up for domestic, they this ROV use 240 volt AC. For the step down, you step up to for step up transformer, you step up to 660 3 phase VAC, and yes, change over switch, and also they have the junction box, which using hunting connector in this junction box, and is using type 101016, and contain the DC power switching relay. And for power distribution unit, the power supply using model UV PSU2 500VA, and interface transformer using model PSU TS-2. And for also have power distribution unit controller. There is surface unit type 10PDU-3-C, and is also hand controller unit for the manipulator. And for distribution unit controller is the remote display unit PSU RCU-2, and in the control van also have the multiplexer using fiber optic model RS232 and RS485. Okay, the control van consists of intercom. There is a complete audio communication system and single circuit BP117, and single mouth headset SMH210, the dual mouth headset DMH220, and master station model MS731. And this control van also consists of PC control rack. There's a PC is including the control and HMI PC, the sonar PC, overlay PC, reporting PC, and the sonar PC is using model CNET SCU, and they connect to RS232 fiber optic cable. Okay, for the controller, they're using a hand control unit from panel, model LCD/5-H, and we also have AX console.
So this is Thermal Management System (TMS) for Panther XTP 971. So it only have a static junction box, which is the box is filled up with oil for 1.5 liter, and then the type of the oil is type 32. It doesn't have slip ring. and then it using tail arm level wing, and then it have electric motor, and then it have electric mini pump, and then the next one is they have a filter and also water filter, and then the next one is they have main compensator, which is used to hold the pressure of the system, and then TMS cage. The TMS cage type is TMS8, and then the tethered cable is 200 meter long. It also use a foot switch for bailing in a bail out, and then bail count sensor. Also they have a camera and also light. For the camera is 24V DC, and then the light is LED lamp 28, and it is used 500 VDC.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhammad Fidaus. Today I want to discuss about last launch recovery system for Panther XTP971. This one is HPU, hydraulic power unit. This one is hydraulic, and then the junction box, hydraulic pump using 60 Hz, 1760 RPM. The maximum for 250 bar and flow 181 per minute. Another one hydraulic motor. This one is 37 kilowatt, IP65. This one RPM 1500 or 1760 RPM. And then go filter. Filter have the two type. One for high pressure and one low pressure. And then we go for radiator and then tank. About the frame, we have 200 bar, 3.5 meter. The weight is 4.5 ton for line load. And then the turntable, shovel and tunnel. And then we go for umbilical winch. This one umbilical winch is 1600 meter. This have a static junction box and rotating junction box. They don't have a split ring, level winder, and then the frame. After that, the winch drum. The weight is 4.5 ton. At the first layer, the bar is 450 bar, the maximum bar, and then 27 lbf. Thank you. Okay.
Assalamualaikum, I'm Rahul Abraham. I'm from Group Mobile. Okay, I will explain about ROV. ROV has divided by three components. First is ROV structure. In Panther XTP971, the frame is aluminium, and crash bar is in column is aluminium, ANC and bullet. For the electrical system, it uses oily junction box, which is a 1.5 liter hydraulic oil, grade 32, and then the transformer, and then the electric motor, and mind control port, and the camera. It uses 34 volt DC. Okay, and for the sensor, it's used 2 battery and ultrasonic thickness. Okay, for the thruster control unit, when the relay when 0 is full speed, and when the relay 12 volt, it will stop. It uses a servo. Okay? And for the hydraulic control unit, it uses 24 volt DC. It has 4 unit light, 500 volt DC, and sonar. It uses Sea-King sonar. Okay, for the hydraulic system, it uses pump 2.2 kilowatt, and the filter and water filter. Okay, and for the manipulator, it uses 2 for all hand units control, and the 7 function SM7 HPV. Okay, for the pen and leads, it uses 34 volt DC brushless motor, and the thruster, it uses 11 unit, 500 volt DC brushless thruster motor SM7. Okay.